It's your girl Seed, and I'm back with another video. And if you want to see what's going on today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright, if y'all watched the last video, y'all saw your girl upgraded herself. The girl went ahead and did the doggone thing and did the upgrade thing. So I didn't even let y'all see what everything was looking like, but yeah, I went with this company called Anatol, and once I get everything set up, y'all gonna see why that was my choice. Y'all gonna see why that was my choice, cause this press is crazy. I'm telling you, the press is crazy. I cannot wait to get everything set up. Let me see. I'm trying to look on here. Let me see, cause I don't know. I still haven't let y'all see what everything looked like up in here yet. But I'm telling you, it's crazy. It's crazy, for real. It's crazy. But yeah, all the equipment that I was selling, and y'all was like, is she quitting? Is she quitting? I kind of had thought about quitting, like with everything. But then I prayed about the situation and everything. And I'm just like, you know what? This is God's business. God is the one who made this business possible for me. Like I was telling y'all in the other video, and in several videos, and in several live streams, that without God, I wouldn't even have this business. Like for real. Like when I started this business, I was doing well in the business, like right away, with just that little 15-inch cutter and the 15-inch Econo press by Hicks. And that's what your girl was in here doing. That I did everything with that until it was time for me to upgrade. Then, as y'all know, I upgraded. My next step was a U-Do and the silver press by Ryanet. It was like a one-station screen printing press. Y'all, I was trying to put some pictures up so y'all can check it out. But it was a one-color, one-station press from Ryanet with 4 colors. I could print 4 colors. Your girl, well, actually before that, I had a 1-color. It was a table clamp-on press. So your girl did the doggone thing with that. And then I was like, okay, I want more colors. More colors. So I wanted more colors. So then, once I was able to print more colors, the 4 colors, 4 more colors, more 4 colors, then I went ahead and upgraded, got the Vastex. Now the Vastex was like it was a decent press for what it was, but I kind of outgrew it. It was more of a starter press, you know. It wasn't really commercial grade. Wasn't really commercial grade. I went with the cheapest exposure unit I could find, and you know, that's what your girl did. So, you know, with me going with the cheapest exposure unit, it did what it needed to do. You know, it did the doggone thing for your girl. And I was able to, you know, do well with that, make money with it. I had that yellow conveyor dryer that somebody actually stopped by here that had bought you know how when people have the storage units and they don't pay for it, they had bought one of those storage units, and that just happened to be in there, and God had them people to stop by here, and I didn't pay a whole lot for it, and I just ended up selling it. I actually sold it to a person that does YouTube videos, Latana, because they have, like, she had an auto press and everything, so they just kind of getting that one so they can have a smaller conveyor dryer, so when they go around to the different places, because they do on-site printing, mobile printing and stuff like that. So, you know, she got it for that, you know, that purpose. And I sold my Vastex. I sold the exposure unit. The only thing I did not sell right here, if anybody wanted, it's right here. Y'all see this thing right here, the fast flash dryer? It's right there if y'all still want it. But that was what your girl did. So I know y'all really badly wanting to see what I'm looking at right over here, but I don't know if I need to make y'all wait another video. I don't know. People, I had y'all was on here thinking your girl was giving up. Y'all don't know your girl, cause I'm telling you, your girl done been through some things with this business. I'm about to trip over this wood my mama didn't want to keep. But your girl done been through some things with the business, but I'm not the quitting type. I'm not the giving up type. But I got faith in this business, y'all. The t-shirt business can be a really good business. Like this whole pandemic time, I've been thinking about things. I've been thinking about quitting. Should I quit? Should I whatever? Should I whatever? So y'all know your girl got into the sewing. So I was like, you know, I gotta do something different. Maybe I can make a few dollars doing some sewing type things. And also, you know, I worked on my YouTube. I got my YouTube to a decent thing now. You know, I'm making a little bit of money with the YouTube. Not a whole lot, but you know, your girl doing okay with it. But your girl have you know, been doing the thing with the YouTube, you know, trying to help people and stuff like that. But I do have another thing I want to do, and I'm gonna need y'all help with that. I'm gonna need y'all to help me try to get a bigger building, because I would like to do more, to offer classes and stuff like that. Hello?
Hey, you still at the shop?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you come help unload this stuff if you?
Okay. All right.
Okay.
All right. Well. Yeah, now I gotta go help. I gotta go help Mama them. I'm gonna try to go and end this video right quick. But yeah, I can't even remember what I was saying. But basically, but yeah, I just been through some stuff with the business. Your girl not a quitter. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all check out what I have. The equipment is not even put together yet, but I'm gonna just let y'all check it out. All right, so right there, the Anatol 6-color 6-station lightning press right there. So it's got 6 colors. Right there, you got the logo on there right there, Anatol Lightning right there, and these heads on it so doggone smooth, y'all. They so smooth. I cannot wait to use this press. Okay, so we got the 6-color 6-station right there. There is the pallets right there. All right, then we got the conveyor dryer over here. I gotta figure out which way it goes. I gotta put that on it, put the belt on it, you know, put everything together, because right now it is not together. It's gonna take your girl a couple of days to get everything in order. So okay, we got that. All right, so then we're gonna come on over here. Y'all see this bottom part right here? This is the bottom stand for my flash dryer. So I'm gonna come right over here, let y'all take a look. There's my flash dryer right there. It's a quartz flash dryer. It's kind of just laying out right here for right now. And y'all, this next thing I'm about to show y'all is crazy. Watch this. Bang! Look at that. Right there. This thing right here is the exposure unit. Y'all see how huge this exposure unit is? I'm gonna back up so y'all can see it. Y'all compare it right there to that Stahl's press. Y'all see how huge that thing is? That thing is huge. Your girl gonna be able to burn 7 screens at one time on that. Like 7 3x6 screens on that at the same time right there. And let me go over here on this side. Okay, here are the arms. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the 6 arms. That's 5. And the other one is right here on top of the pallet. So that's what it's looking like right there. And I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to shorten this video. I'm gonna have to go ahead and end this video because I gotta go help my mom them unload the truck, y'all. And I gotta get these camera settings right. I used to have it on the good settings, but then I don't know what ended up happening, and my video haven't been looking as nice as it do. Plus my skin got issues. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of show this to y'all, let y'all check out the equipment. But once I get everything together and set up, I'm gonna do another video for y'all. And we're gonna be doing some doggone things with this equipment. You heard me? Now, y'all know your girl silly. But I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all make sure y'all subscribe if y'all haven't, because if y'all don't subscribe, y'all gonna miss out, because this ain't all. This ain't it right here. It's more things coming. More big things coming. So if y'all want to be a part of it, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you will be notified and you won't miss out on the videos. And your girl got some things coming. And also, I do have the giveaway for the 50K, and people who won the 50K prizes at on the little 50K video that we had, the 50K party video, y'all don't think I forgot about you. Your girl just got a lot going on right now. I promise you I'm gonna get them shirts out to you, probably the shirts and some extra, because your girl just, you know, right now I got so much going on, and as y'all see, you know, some of the stuff is behind the scenes going on. But yeah, so you know that, and one reason I had to, you know, your girl had to kind of push the 50,000 giveaway, where I'm gonna be trying to give away a screen printing press and a heat press. I'm trying to make sure this thing is right, but your girl gonna be trying to give away a screen printing press and a heat press to some lucky person, 2 lucky people. But it's gonna be in November. But if you want to be a part of that, you do need to be a member. So y'all go ahead, become a member, and you'll be able to be entered into that giveaway. And I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in another video. Prince Squad out.